With that said, we're going to dive into what we like to wrap the show with, which is our Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us just have more fun. So what do you got, Brian?
So mine, I came up with about 48 seconds ago, but I actually really love this. Obviously, we know it is important to make it easy for our customers or clients to connect with us. One of the things that really made a big splash this since March of 2020 is QR codes. Everywhere we go, there's a QR code. Everyone knows how to scan them and use them and everything like that now. I wanted to share the website that I use to generate them. I tried a couple different ones. I really like this one. It's called the-QR code-generator.com. And Tom will have the link up on YouTube and in the description as well. But a couple things that I really like about this. One is you can actually log in and create an account where you can go back and look at previous QR codes. So you already made a QR code, you can go back and reprint it. You can download them at different pixel sizes. So a lot of them that I found, you can only download it at kind of a small size. This one you can make as big as you want. So when we print it out for our signs, we made them really big. They also have a few different ways, a few different things you can use with your QR code. So you can obviously have the URL, which is what we're typically used to. But the things that I like is you can actually have QR codes for a couple different calls to action. But the one I like is creating a text message. So like we have on our sign, you can scan it, it'll bring up your text message, and you can actually put text in it. And the last thing is they have dynamic QR codes, meaning you can create a QR code and then 3 months from now, you can change what that QR code has on the back end, what that links to. So I think that it's $5 or $6 a month to have that, but then you can manage these dynamic QR codes. And if you put a QR code on a moving truck or a sign or something like that, and that you think is going to change either fairly regularly or it could change in the future, it has that. So I really like the-QR code-generator.com. It's got like a green header and stuff. I like it a lot.
Cool. The one that I want to talk about is what we touched on a little bit in these level 10 meetings, and it's running a system called EOS. So EOS is my widget of the week. EOS stands for Entrepreneurial Operating System. This can literally help you take your business to another level. We've seen massive increases by implementing the system, and it's really helped me as a leader. And it's almost forced me into solely a leadership role, which is great. So I strongly recommend check out EOS if you want to learn more about it. Best book to learn about it is the book Traction by Gino Wickman. It's definitely been a huge change for us in our business over the last couple of years. Strongly recommend that you check that book out. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value out of the show today. I'm Kyle Whissel, eXp Realty in San Diego. Thanks for tuning in.
See you next week. Cool. Thanks, dude.
All right, man. Later.